Hello, welcome to the Autocad lesson guide 2 prepared by Ekemini Asukwo. This is still introduction to the Autocad as applied to civil engineering. We will be dealing with drawing of a two-story block of flat building. Target audience. This lesson is specifically prepared for people who have little idea of using Autocad. This is a follow-up of practical lesson 1 earlier posted. If you have watched our previous videos, you will need to proceed with this. Aim and objective. The aim of this lesson is to introduce beginners to drawing and modification tools commonly used for 2D civil engineering drawings in Autocad, such as building, floor plan, elevation, as well as structural drawing and detailing. At the end of this lesson, learners should be able to draw ground floor plan, first floor plan, as well as roof plan. This is the ground floor plan we are going to consider during our practical session in Autocad. These dimensions might not be too clear, but on that day I will try as much as possible to provide a clear diagram which will enable us to see these dimensions clearly. But then if you wish to try practicing this on your own, well, you can do that. We have already taught how to set dimension, style, how to set drawing units, how to set drawing limit, and all those things. So when we are doing this drawing, we are not going to go into that anymore. What we are going to do is go straight to this and start drawing this and see if we can achieve this in less than 30 to 1 hour time. And this is the first floor plan we are going to draw on that day. It's just the same thing as ground floor. You just do a copy and edit of some of these label, like room 8, room 9. You just edit them. There's no difference between this first floor plan and the ground floor plan. So if you can finish drawing the first floor plan, that means, ground floor plan, that means automatically we are done with first floor plan. This building, this particular plan, floor plan, does not represent the floor plan of anybody's building. This is just our concept for this purpose, for this lesson. If by any chance this building plan resembles anyone's building, I would say it's just a miracle, because I wouldn't expect my concept to match anyone else's concept somewhere. So this is prepared specifically for this lesson, and this is how our roof plan will look like. How we have actually decided to use flat roof, that is concrete roof, that is roof with access. Yes, roof with access according to EC, one of these European goods. There is roof without access and roof with access. So we are actually dealing with roof with access, that is the concrete roof, the concrete floor roof. So the small space you see, this small diagram inside the plan that you see dimension and a door, is actually a room. It's a room that covers the staircase at the top. As you ascend the staircase from ground floor to first floor to the roof, that particular space that is going to cover the staircase is this room on top of the floor plan. So we are going to see how we can do with that, and I think that is okay. Then we are going to assign all these properties, layer properties. Like I said, we are not going to deal with these layer properties any longer. This is already been set, and I've already taught how to do this. So if you don't know this, you can visit our previous video, lesson 1 practical lesson 1, just go back and see how these layers have been set. So on that day we will not waste time doing this. This has already been set. So what we do is we just go straight to the drawing and see if we can achieve that within 30 to 1 hour time. And the layers continues. In case you want to practice this ahead, you can make, if you wish, you can make use of our layers, the way we set them, layer properties. You can make use of it, the door, the name we give, the color, the line type, line weights, and all and so on. If you want, you can go ahead and use this. If you wish, you can create your own. It's not a big deal. You can create your own the way you want it to be. Like, you can create your own colors according to the way you feel you want it to look like. So the colors are not really like the finishing color of the building, that how we want a building to look like. It's just, remember when we talked about properties, layer properties, it's just to make sure it gives this view. As you are looking at it, you have a wide view of what you are seeing. There's no too much confusion about which line is which one. With colors, you can specify the line that is for wall, the line that is for room, sorry, for window, the line that is for door, and so on. So if we now put everything in one color, it sometimes might be difficult to to differentiate which line is which one. All right, so we know where we are going, because this is just elementary part. That is why I wanted to start. I know so many people know this AutoCAD, so what are we doing here? So the reason I'm doing this is that I just want to lay foundation to what we are going to do in future. Yeah, we are going to apply so many application tools in civil engineering to to design building. So one of them will be brutal structure, and the other will be Orion, and so on. So we'll deal with that. Then this is the end. I will on our next video we will be illustrating on AutoCAD application based on the guideline listed on the lesson guide. So please subscribe to our YouTube channels and turn on notifications so that you will be notified when the video on the AutoCAD practical session is uploaded. It doesn't cost anything. Just click on the subscribe button and it is done. Thanks for watching. Until then.